Hey everybody, here's a little update on this Myers Manx project. I have named her Black Betty. As I had mentioned in a previous video, this was started in the late 90s and came to a halt in 2000. The gentleman ended up passing on, so it had been in storage for years. I'm going to keep his theme though. I'm going to keep it black. I think I'm going to reuse the what were once new Keystone Classics. This had already been shortened, the chassis and all, so it saved me a little bit of effort. I still stripped it down and I've epoxy painted it in black, primer sealer, and then the U-Pole Raptor. But what I want to share with everybody today is the fuel line issue. You know, we've all had it. This fuel line had two problems. Number one, it was full of rust, but secondly, whenever the previous owner put the straps for the solid mounts on for the transaxle, they drilled right through the damn fuel line. Anyway, this is 4AN fuel line. So it has a stainless steel braid on the inside and then this nice nylon braid on the outside. Wasn't sure if I could get it through there, but I did. I took a fish tape from the tunnel access hole where you service the shifter coupler. I ran that fish tape up to the front. I shoved the steel line down into the tunnel, and I was able to get the tape up here and pull this 4AN fuel line from the front out that access hole. And then from there I ran the fish tape back up here, reconnected the hose, and pulled it through. So it worked really nice. Plenty of room. That's about all I wanted to share. We're working along, cleaning and painting, boring as shit. What I do here when I want to go back and torque something, just as a reminder, I stick a little piece of masking tape. That's about it. Everybody have a great St. Patty's Day, and don't drink and drive. Have a good one.